Welcome to Money Mind Alchemy. This is your moment to let go, to release the weight of limiting beliefs, and open your mind and heart to true wealth. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow the old stories to melt away. Repeat after me, or simply let these words enter your subconscious. I now release all fear I hold around money. I let go of the belief that money is hard to get. I forgive myself for any past money mistakes. I am safe to receive. I release inherited money beliefs that no longer serve me. I let go of guilt, shame, and scarcity. I allow wealth to flow freely into my life. I am no longer limited by my past. I detach from struggle and embrace ease. I am free from all money blocks now. Take a breath. Feel your inner walls dissolving. You are becoming clear, open, receptive. Let these new beliefs replace the old. You are rewiring your mind for abundance now. I am worthy of financial success. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity. Money supports my highest good. Wealth is a natural part of who I am. I am open to receiving money in unexpected ways. Abundance flows to me through aligned actions. I am capable, creative, and abundant. I trust myself to handle great wealth with wisdom. I radiate wealth, confidence, and security. I am becoming richer in every possible way. Take a deep breath. Let it all settle in. These affirmations are now alive within you. Listen daily and watch your reality shift. You are free. You are abundant. You are already becoming who you were meant to be.